Hello, I'm Tirtha, and today I'm going to share my NID product design interview experience with you all. So, the interview usually takes place after the studio test happens. Earlier, the candidates used to get the interview schedule on the studio day itself, but like from 2026 onwards, both the dates are released beforehand. One very important thing to remember is that the panel members do have your application form during the interview, which you had filled at the time of applying. So, in my interview, like there were three panel members from the product department. I had carried a physical portfolio, then some of my artworks and projects, which they went through before asking me the questions. The interview started with a brief introduction of myself, and at that time, I was working at Aditya Birla in the manufacturing sector. So they asked me what my work profile was and what kind of projects I was working on. So although my project was technical, I tried to explain them the whole journey, like how I identified the problem, what challenges I faced, and how I approached the solution. So one important tip: if your projects are not design based or from like they are not from the design domain, it's completely okay as long as you explain the process, observation, and like take them through the entire problem solving journey, because they are more interested in how you think and how you approach the problems rather than your solution towards it. So they asked me if I had some hands on experience, which actually diverted the conversation towards my college internship, which was done in a waste management startup. So they asked me questions like, what were the problems you observed during working in the startup? Then, if you were the head of the startup, what improvements will you make? So they are interested in how you see the systems and like how you observe throughout. And now comes like the most common question: why design? This is the question that you will get asked like in every single design interview, because of course they want to know what is your reason to get into design and pursue design. And since I had mentioned women empowerment as one of the sectors that interest me, they asked me of like few questions upon it. They asked me what is the the gender equality situation in the manufacturing sector where I was working. Then secondly, they wanted to know my knowledge upon this topic in the context of India. And there was this third question which I could not answer. It was which country has the better gender equality in the world? So upon not knowing the answer, I was very honest. I just said, I don't know the answer to this question, and I'll go back and check. And that's the thing. You need to be honest and willing to learn, and also showcase that during the interview, because that speaks about you as a person. Then they asked me about my family background and what their perspective was upon me shifting from engineering to design. So, yes, they also want to know where you come from, because that shapes you as a person and your thinking in a lot of ways. See, like NID interviews are not about giving the perfect answer. It is most importantly about who you are and how you think, rather than giving that one correct, perfect, and too good answer. So just keep that in mind whenever, wherever you give your interviews for any college. Try to have conversations. Don't treat it like your vivas. They just want to know how you think, how you approach, and how you are as a person. So be unique, be you, and that's it. I mean, that helps. So if you want more such videos, just follow, like, and subscribe, and I'll keep helping you.